What is up, nation? It is Tuesday. Our Metcon today, you have two 5-minute Amraps. So that first one, right, it's going to be a 5-minute Amrap. You're going to be going 2 Renegade rows. It's going to be 2 each side. And then from there, after each rep scheme, so once I've done 2-2 on both sides, I have 5 push-ups, and then you'll just go on, right? So I'll go 2 on one side, 2 on the other, 5 push-ups, and then I move on to the rep scheme of 4. I do 4 Renegade rows on one side, 4 on the other, 5 push-ups, and I just keep going as far as I can. If you get past 10, right, if you get done with 10 and you still got time left, within the 5 minutes, go to 12, right? Go as far as you can. We'll rest 3 minutes, and then part B would be same format, although this time we're doing box jumps or vertical jumps if we don't have a box. And then from there, once you complete a rep scheme, once I get to the box jumps, I'll have 3 of those hammy walkouts. So those Renegade rows, right? Be in that plank position. From there, nice and stacked, shoulders nice and stacked. From there, I'm gonna pull that dumbbell right to my chest. Right, from here, try to keep those hips nice and aligned, not too high. Right, and then from there, as you pull, and then also too, it's gonna be real super tempting to have that dumbbell really far out in front, and then basically pull into our shoulder, and then kind of get into like that lawnmower pull. We're pulling all the way, hips are turning. So stay nice and stacked, hips nice and aligned. If you have to, the feet will come out just a little bit wider, which will be totally fine as long as we're not getting into that full twisty turn as we pull. And then from there, our box jumps. Once you're done with the rep scheme, you'll have those 3 hammy walkouts. So those hammy walkouts will be into that glute bridge position. Hips are nice and up, and I'm walking my heels out and then back, right? Super, super nice and controlled. Don't have to go blazing super fast on that. It's primarily both part A and B is really for quality, right? Try not to just get super fast, going crazy on it. But other than that, our core, it's going to be a 12-minute max cap on it. So you'll have 3 rounds for quality. It's going to be 8 fast V-ups into its 16-second L-sit hold on the floor, and then a 3-position hollow rocks, right? So those fast V-ups, real quick and fast. You're going up, hands to feet. If not, you can go into those lemon squeeze real super fast for the V-ups. Elbows to knee, and then from there, that L-sit hold onto the floor. Hands are going to be outside, holding that, maintaining that nice strong position on our upper half. And then these 8 3-position hollow rocks, right? That top only, legs are going to be bent, arms are going to be nice and straight out, and then from there, I'm going to rock just on that top part. Oh yeah. From there, try to focus on not having those shoulder blades come down, like going back and forth, really stay nice and tight, and then rocking. Ball in position only, hands will be off to the side, and then from there, we're just moving our legs, and then we'll combine everything together into that hollow position, rocking just like so. Those 3, that would be consisted of 1, so you have 8 of those. From there, we're going to do a nice little burnout sesh. It's going to be 100 heel taps 4 times, right? So that total, legs are bent. Really try to shoot for. Notice how Coach Briggs is shooting for like midfoot, almost to his pinky toe, right? Shoot all the way as far as there. Warm up, it's going to be 2 rounds. You're going to have basically a 10-second single arm plank hold, holding that for 10 seconds. From there, 5 broad jumps into 10 sit-ups. You go into another single arm plank, just basically the other side. And then 20 mountain climbers, it's a 2 count. From there, you'll have 10 dumbbell or kettlebell, whatever you have, bent over rows, 5 on each side. 2 rounds of that, and then from there, you go 30 seconds each, 2 rounds. Elbow plank into your downward dog, just a regular downward dog. Side plank, after the side plank, go over to that push-up plank position. Shoulder taps, just a regular shoulder taps. Other side of the side plank, and then from there, that downward ankle stretch. Coach Briggs will show that real fast. You'll be in that downward position, shooting those heels back and forth, just getting our calves nice and warm for all the jumping we have later for our Metcons. And then post-WOD is going to be just a 3-minute run. Once you come back in, hold that 1-minute split-legged hold, go outside, run for another 2 minutes, come back in. Those apple cross sits, you're going to have 1 minute on each side, so it's just basically crisscross applesauce. From here, shoot those elbows as far as you can. 1 minute on that side, switch over, 1 minute on the other, and then from there, you're just going to walk for 1 minute, and that's pretty much it.